Hey guys, Mike with Long Range with the Lilies. We had just finished wrapping up the regional championship last weekend down in Parma, Idaho, and we were back unpacking the day after we got home, and Ean Vargas asked us if we were going to go shoot a match. I said no, Keely said definitely no, and then Ean Vargas, who knows me well, decided to start a little trash talking because that is the absolutely best way to ensure that I do something I don't want to do. So he talked me into shooting the match. He told me he's going to shoot his 223 trainer, and I decided that I was going to shoot my brand new Seekins SP10 gas gun. I picked it up out of jail on Thursday. Thank you, I-1639 and Washington Boaters. Put a scope on it Friday and then shot it Saturday in the match. We decided to have a little friendly wager going, and then Corey Bibby tacked onto the wager and decided he was going to compete too. So now that I'm going to Rock Lake Rifle Range and I'm not going out there to win points, I thought it'd also be a good chance for Ayden to shoot his very first match. So he decided to tag along. So there's a lot going on. We're all headed to Rock Lake Rifle Range to have a good time and bang some steel and laugh and have fun. What we didn't know was that the guest match director had designed an absolute skull drag of a match. Like 10 positions in 1 minute and 45 seconds, just super hard stuff designed around challenging better shooters and making them better to prepare for national level matches. So in hindsight, it probably wasn't the best choice of first match for Ayden, but I'm proud of the way he stuck it out. He got some hits, he definitely didn't come in last, and he had a good time. So without further ado, here's the video and recap of how the match went.
Time starts now. And miss. Impact! Impact!
Impact. There you go. Good press. You got all day. Impact.
course fire?
Yeah.
Your time starts now.
Okay, call it out loud.
Proud, brother. Boy. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Impact. Impact. This is why we don't take you places.
Right.
He's got me. Oh, that's 7.
This is it. This will be 8. 17 seconds. Oh, there it is. That's 8.
Okay, so there's the match thus far. With my very last shot on the rock stage, which was the last stage of the day for us, I managed to tie up Ian for our total on the day. Fortunately, I shot the rock stage a lot faster than he did, so I got to win on a tiebreaker. So I'm secured, I'm beating Ian. The only outlier left is Corey, who hasn't shot yet and he's still got a chance to win. So with that being said, here's Corey's run in all of its glory. All right, so Corey needs a 6 to win, even though he brought a
Tie.
actual, 6 to tie, 7 to win.
And it's the second match this year.
Yeah, but he's shooting an actual competition gun against a 223 and a gas gun. But whatever you gotta tell yourself
to sleep well at
to
night.
feel better.
I'm rooting for you, baby.
All right, let's do this.
Rooting for you to fuck it up.
Okay, fair enough.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
Who's got a timer?
Okay.
Shooter ready? Shooter's time starts now. Impact!
Can't do that very much, Corey.
How many times do I get? 4?
Impact!
4 to tie.
Impact! I don't think he's gonna have a problem.
Good time. I wish I had shot better.
Hey, but you know what? Can't be. Impact!
If I was at home, I'd be working.
Impact.
Oh, he's centered up now. It's over.
How much time do I have?
He's running it.
5 seconds.
Impact!
I'm kidding.
I know.
Impact.
How many did you drop?
There it is.
That's a tie, right? This to win?
Impact.
I think that's a win.
That's a win, buddy.
That was a win, fucker. So both of you on.
So there it is. Corey came through in the clutch. Despite some major trash talking by us, he came through in the clutch and managed to win the bet. So if you happen to see Ean Vargas and I running around in a t-shirt with Corey's face all over it, that was the bet. So congratulations again, Corey. We all had a blast shooting the match. Even Ayden, as tough of a time as he had, as frustrating as it was for him for his first match, he said he had fun. I really want to thank Ian and Marshawn and everybody in the squad that helped him out and ensure he had a good time. So again, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. We'll see you out there soon.